Hello everyone, it's Vivian Berry, and here's your Cyber Brief, your no-fluff update on what's really happening in cybersecurity this week. Let's start with Google Chrome. A zero-day vulnerability is being actively exploited right now. It's tied to the V8 JavaScript engine, which means attackers can hijack your browser just by getting you to visit a malicious site. If you haven't already, update Chrome to the latest version. That's 138.07204.96 or higher. Next up, phishing is getting sneakier. Attackers are using PDFs that look like invoices from Microsoft or PayPal, but they're hiding phone numbers inside. When users call, they get routed to fake call centers running social engineering scams. It's clever. And it's working. Remind your team, never call a number from a random PDF. Always verify through official channels. Now over to Firefox. More than 40 fake crypto wallet extensions have been found in the Firefox add-on store. These steal credentials directly from users. If you use Firefox for crypto, check your extensions right now and remove anything suspicious. Big breaches this week too. Qantas Airlines reported a massive data breach tied to a third-party contact center tool. Over 6 million customers were affected. Same goes for Kelly Benefits. Over 500,000 user records compromised. Both cases highlight the danger of vendor risk. Don't just trust the logo. Audit your partners regularly. Let's talk trends. We're seeing a rise in malware-free attacks, meaning there's no payload, no signature, nothing for antivirus to catch. These threats mimic normal user behavior and slip through your defenses. That's why behavior-based detection and zero trust aren't optional anymore. They're essential. So here's your action list. Patch your systems, train your people, audit your vendors. And if you're still relying on SMS for MFA, it's time to switch to something stronger. That's your Cyber Brief. I'm Vivian Berry. Stay sharp, stay patched, and I'll see you in the next update.